Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sharon Joki, and in today's video I am going to be showing you how I prepare my hair for braiding, and we'll be focusing on two products: shampoo and deep treatment from Tony Airo's. I have already pre-put my hair and have a video on pre-pooing. I'm going to link it in this one. It's going to be somewhere on the screen, so be sure to watch it. Also remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. My hair is clean and I'm now going to be deep treating it, but I have added peppermint oil and Ugandan black castor oil to my treatment. These are from Drip Elegance Naturals. I'm going to link them in the description box. So let's get to deep treating my hair. As usual, I'm going to be working with sections. So I'm just preparing the sections by dividing my hair into two. I then go ahead and separate the two sections into workable sections, smaller sections, and this makes my work easier when it comes to applying the treatment to my hair. I will be using sectional clips that are from Drip Elegance Naturals. Starting with the first small section of my hair, I take a spray bottle with water from Drip Elegance Naturals. I just want to dampen my hair a little bit more. Then I go ahead and take the Tony Airo's deep treatment, pour some amount of it on my palm of my hand. I then start applying the product on my scalp. So that's the first point of focus. I apply the product on my scalp, then I go ahead and distribute the product on the strands of my hair. I'm also going to be showing you ways in which you can detangle your hair, and the first one is finger detangling. This one, where I'm using my fingers to just separate my hair, to detangle my hair, then proceed with a wide tooth comb. I am combing from the tips of my hair, working through to the roots of my hair, and this avoids breakage, and of course there's not going to be any pain when doing this. The other way of detangling is separating the section into smaller ones, then using a wide tooth comb again, comb from the tips of your hair, working through to the roots of your hair, and repeat. Some of the advantages of using a wide toothed comb are avoids hair breakage and also ensures that you don't feel any pain when you're combing through your hair. You can see how the section clips are coming in handy. As I had stated earlier, I have added peppermint oil and Ugandan black castor oil to my treatment, and I will be sharing with you some of the benefits of the two. Starting off with peppermint oil, some of the benefits are hydrates hair follicles, promotes hair growth, and relieves hair from lice. Then the Ugandan black castor oil promotes hair growth, moisturizes dry hair, strengthens hair, and prevents hair breakage. Something else to note is that I am massaging the product into my scalp. Then I am going to finger detangle my hair and then proceed on with the wide toothed comb. Once again, I am finger detangling, and this is a close-up of the whole process. By now you can tell that I prefer finger detangling first, then proceeding on with a wide tooth comb. After finger detangling, I separate the big section into smaller ones, then use the wide tooth comb to comb from the tips of my hair, working through to the roots of my hair. I am so in love with the curl pattern of my hair. So in love. I should have said this earlier in the video, but I don't usually use shampoos with sulfates a lot. I only use them when I want my hair to be cleaned like thoroughly. Like for example, this time round, I wanted my hair to be thoroughly cleaned because I was braiding it and I'd have the braids for quite some time, for a few weeks. And don't get me wrong, sulfates are good in the sense that they make shampoo more effective, and they are bad in the sense that they can excessively strip away of naturally occurring proteins and oils on scalp and hair. Therefore, I use co-wash. I co-wash my hair with a co-wash that doesn't have sulfate. I repeated the process throughout the remaining sections of my hair, and once I was done, I put on a plastic shower cap just to trap heat and help my hair absorb the products. So I have finished applying the treatment. I just want to add a little to my hairline. I've used this product for years. Actually, the shampoo and the deep treatment. So, and then I will keep this for, what time is it? I'll keep this for maybe 30 minutes, rinse it out, then go to the salon because I'm braiding my hair like I had said. And that is all for this week's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye guys.